Okay, so we're on the top little section. It's so cute. I have that one, but in cream, like a creamy color. Bathroom. This is cute. This little pillow's only $15. Love this little layout. Cute. Look, actually I really like these.
I love those.
$2. Oh, they have more.
Yeah, that's where you put like the carafe and the important.
Okay, so we're going back downstairs to grab a cart because there weren't any carts up here, so. We got it!
Mixing bowl.
Ooh. I feel like these would be nice for cooking actually. That one's 13, but I don't know how much this size is. That rug is kind of cute, low-key. You guys, I'm actually looking for... We still need a coffee table, right? We need a coffee table, and I low-key need like a bedside table too. I love like these little wooden ones.
Those are cute.
So cute. Which one? This one? I do like that. Ooh.
This is so pretty. This big sink.
I keep seeing these all over and they remind me of like when I go to restaurants. Emma, this is so cute.
Yeah, that one's really cute.
Are these outdoor chairs? Look at that one. Okay, so we're for sure getting one of these. Where are we gonna put it? Like in the entryway? Yeah, you just like pull it up, I think. They look more remodeled. Yeah, look. So freaking cute.
But see, I think I like that color a lot better than the white. It just looks like fancier.
Wait, we should take pictures of them.
Yeah.
Actually, I like this one because it has like glass on it. The black does pop more though. Oh my god, I love stuff like this. Like organization. I'm kind of considering buying 3 of these and putting them like in the pantry. I feel like that'd be kind of nice for one of the rows. I kind of do like these too though because they are
Those
bigger.
could be cute.
Yeah, you could do these on one, like half of a row, and do something else. And
Or if there's a thin row at the top.
yeah, and then those you could go on like the bigger one. Okay, this is so random, but they have a fake cake, and I kind of want to touch it. Oh, it's hard. It looks so real. That's so crazy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I have these at home. Yes. This is like what I'm into. Look, they have one of those little ones too.
Yeah, can we grab one of these or what's the deal with these?
I feel like they're gonna be downstairs. Look, they don't have the tags on it or anything. So
Not this one, no.
yeah, we could even put like some cushion or something up there.
Yeah, like a little.
And that's only $70. Most of them are like above 100. Love this little vanity. You guys, Emma's actually obsessed with these. But yeah, this is what we got so far. Maybe we'll do a little haul later, but yeah, we're still kind of going at it. Like I mentioned earlier, I still need like a bedside table, so if you guys know where I could get one, because by the time you guys watch this video, I'm probably still gonna be shopping, let me know. It's like a pretty tall bed, so like I need a tall bedside table. I just don't know. This one does have this little thing, but it's literally $100 and it's kind of like too simple. I kind of like these, but what size do you think would be better? Because this one is 109 and then this one is 79. I don't know. Fit in the closet.
But it could, if it could, that would be really cute.
If I see it downstairs, I might buy it. Wait, look what it says. Temporarily unavailable. What?
Of course.
Emma, you should buy this one. Okay, so we made it to the ground level now. This is where all the good stuff is. I wish there was like a medium size because it's kind of little, but I really want one for like a charcuterie board. Wait.
This one's only $8.
I like this one. What are these? Is this to cut?
Like a hard-boiled egg or something?
Interesting. I have one of these that I got from Target, so we don't need any of those.
I like these things.
Okay, we just picked one of these up because they're like heat protectors for the kitchen area. I think these would be good. So they're only $4 for this 3-pack. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with this little one. Emma really wants one of these. I don't know. It's pretty. They don't have a visual one though. I love those chunky ones. Look, this is the one I have. Should I get another one?
Yeah, if you want to get one of those, I can get these chunky ones. These look so fancy, don't you think?
Yeah. Okay, I actually really like these, you guys. They're only $3. I don't know if I should get them though. It's like I don't need it right now, but I still want it, you know? I don't know. So we're still shopping around, you guys. Honestly, we have a whole bunch of things in our cart. You can't even see, I just realized. But yeah, we have so many things. And yeah, that's my update. We're still shopping, so okay, these are so cute. It's only $8. I don't even know what I'm doing for my bed though. Okay, so we found the section where they have the teeny tiny IKEA bags. I think I'm also gonna go ahead and grab one of these big ones. They're like $5.
So long, don't you?
Oh yeah.
A little big. I don't really like chunky stuff on my keys.
Yeah.
But I could put it like on my backpack or something.
I'm gonna get one of these for sure. I need this one. Also, I find it so interesting that they have a little bucket hat for $4. I don't know exactly where it is, but I have seen somebody wearing that out in public before and it actually looked kind of nice. I think these are so cute. I don't know what exactly I would put in here, but they're so cute and they come with several different sizes. How much even is that? Oh, it's 13. Okay, I was like confused for a second. Okay, I've been seeing so many people with this vase from IKEA. It's only $8. I think I'm gonna go for it because I keep seeing it everywhere and it's so cute. So I think I'm gonna go for it and grab this one as well because it's actually only $1.49. These are so cute and they're actually only $10 for the 3-pack. We're pretty much done shopping. Emma's so happy that we're done.
I'm so hungry.
It's literally like 5. We've been here for like 3 hours, I think.
Like way too long.
Yeah, like when you come to IKEA, you have to have the whole day booked just to come to IKEA if you're looking around at least. All right, we're just looking through these last little items and then we're gonna go ahead and check out. Emma's debating buying some of these meatballs, you guys.
I've never had them. Everybody talks about them.
So before I end the video, I just wanted to do a quick haul of what each one of us got. So should I go first or you do you want to go first?
You can go first.
Okay. Okay, so I got this IKEA bag. I just wanted another one because they're so roomy. I did get this little board. This is gonna come in handy for like whenever I'm meal prepping. I did get another one of these as well because my mom freaking broke my other one. And I got this. You put lettuce in here and then you just kind of like wash it, rinse it.
Whatever lettuce you get, if it's already pre-cut or whatever, and then you put it in this one, which kind of looks like a strainer, and then you like put it under the water and then you put it in here and then you twist this around and it makes this part spin and so it gets all the water out, like to wash lettuce.
I've never used one of these,
or other butters.
And this one was only like $5 too. I got this vase. This was literally like $1.29 or something like that. So cute. I've seen like so many influencers with this vase, so I was like, heck yeah, I'm gonna get it. I don't need this, but like, I don't know, it was cute.
It was a wine laundry.
Yeah. And then, is this the last thing I got? I could have sworn I got more. And then the last few things that I got are these little organizing containers. I think I might put these in the pantry. If not, I'll figure it out. But they were only like $2 or $3. So I thought they were nice. They're just white and yeah, I don't know. These will come in handy for something. Yeah.
Okay.
What did you get?
So the first thing I got was this basket. I'm not sure what this is called, but I'm pretty sure it's like they're known for that basket, right? Like a lot of people have
Yeah, a lot
it.
of people do buy that.
I also got these little, it's like a pack of 3. They're like cork, and they're like hot plates so that you can put stuff. It doesn't like mess up the counter or the table. Then I got a little what's this called?
What is it? A frother.
Oh, a frother. I'm so excited for this because I have been making coffee a lot more.
You did get it? I didn't even know you got it.
I had to get it.
It's so cute.
And it was literally like 79 cents.
And it's the same material, you guys, as the actual bag. It's crazy.
Then I got the 2 little like fruit bags, I guess they call them.
Those are cute.
I feel like they could be used for a lot of stuff.
You could even go shopping with them.
Yeah.
I tried that a few times, but then I forget them.
Then I got the big version.
Yes,
like the chunkier version of Julia's.
Those are cute.
I got, this is like a little bamboo or like wood. I think, whoa. I think this is bamboo, right?
Yeah.
It's like a little phone stand. So like when I'm like doing my makeup or something. And then the last thing I got was this little trash can for my bathroom. I just wanted one with a lid on it. And this was
like
literally
10, right?
$10.
$10, so yeah, that's our little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and thank you to Emma for being in it. I will put her YouTube down in the description box, so yeah, subscribe.